Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Alexa with Samsung SmartThings easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your SmartThings app is installed on your mobile device. Open the SmartThings app. Log into your SmartThings account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Add Device from the menu. In the device selection screen, look for Voice Assistants. Choose Amazon Alexa from the list of available integrations. You'll see a prompt to link your SmartThings account with Alexa. Tap on the Link Account button to proceed. This will redirect you to the Amazon login page. Enter your Amazon account credentials and log in. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize SmartThings to access your Amazon account. Read the permissions and tap on Allow to grant access. Once authorized, return to the SmartThings app. You should see a confirmation that your account has been linked successfully. Now, open the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device. Log into your Amazon account if you're not already signed in. Tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu. Type SmartThings into the search bar. Find the SmartThings skill in the search results and tap on it. Tap on the Enable to Use button. You'll be prompted to log into your SmartThings account again. Enter your credentials and authorize Alexa to access your SmartThings devices. After linking is successful, you will be redirected back to the Alexa app. Now, return to the SmartThings app to ensure your devices are visible in the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, you can now discover devices by saying, "Alexa, discover my devices." Alexa will scan for your. Once the scan is complete, you can control your SmartThings devices with voice commands. You have successfully authorized Alexa with Samsung SmartThings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.